Brian and Cindy here with Bit Restless Adventures. For today's episode, we're still in the Smoky Mountains in the Nantahala Forest, and we're going to ride the motorcycle down Wayah Road, I think's how you pronounce it. Should be a good ride. We'll show you some things we find along the way. We've never been on this road, so hopefully we find some things of interest that will keep you guys entertained.
Also, we're off like a turd of hurdles.
We've got these new Cardo headsets on our helmets with a mic system that are Bluetooth to the GoPro. So today we'll kind of just be talking about what we see along the way. We've also got the Insta360 camera mounted on the front of the bike to give you different points of view. And anyway, we're gonna hit the road. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully you guys are enjoying our Smoky Mountain episodes that we put together. The first one was Tell the Dragon. The second one was the Nantahala River in the kayak. Today we're back on the motorcycle, showing you some more of the Smoky Mountains. That's a big hydroelectric plant that uses the Nantahala River to provide electricity in the area. Pretty cool little plant.
Duke Energy. There's the Wishin's fishing hole, open to the public. Probably can fish for some trout there.
Hopefully you guys can hear us okay on these Cardo mics. This is kind of a weekend test run with these things. We're mainly going to focus on the Ozark region because that's close to where we live. But we're on vacation in the Smokies and wanted to share some of it with you guys. Future content back home, we plan on bringing you some more unique restaurants to eat at, some beer breweries, wineries, scenic places to go see. And you don't have to have a Jeep or motorcycle to go to most of the places we go to. I'd highly recommend a trip to the Smokies on vacation. It's a wonderful part of the United States. We really don't know what we're going to find on this road. It was just recommended by one of the ladies that works at the Nantahala Outdoor Center.
Said there was some waterfalls. Oh, there's a guy trout
that's
fishing.
A beautiful area right there. If we see something really cool on the way, we just plan on stopping and showing you guys. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah. Yesterday when we were floating, we found out you do have to have a pass, pay for a pass from the National Forest Service to be on the water. You can do it daily or yearly. We did it daily yesterday. I think it was $2, not sure about that.
I think the next pullover spot, I'm just gonna get out and show people the creek. Very scenic area of the Smoky Mountains. I'll just pull over here and walk back down to show you guys. The water quality in the Smokies is just wonderful. Reminds me of Arkansas, except it doesn't have the blue tint. Hopefully you guys can see all this all right. So if you're new to this channel, Cindy and I started this, I don't know, a couple months ago.
Yeah.
We've always been a bit restless. We came up with a name for the channel from a band called Blackberry Smoke. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. We love their music. They have a song named Restless. We named our first Jeep Restless. Everybody likes to name their Jeep, and Cindy named it Restless because we're always a bit restless.
Can't sit still. That's what my dad always said. I can't sit still.
Our vacations are never just laying around on a beach. We're always on the go. We rest from vacation when we get home.
Now my heart rock.
Cindy likes to collect rocks that look like hearts. I collect rocks that have holes in them, hagstones. Oh wow, another heart rock. She's only got about 1,000 of them.
Call them love rocks.
Hopefully you guys don't have a lot of wind noise with this new audio system, but we wanted to kind of get...
There was kind of a waterfall type thing right there. See it?
Yeah.
Look right here. Look.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Huh.
Anyway, we got these mic systems for the helmets because this fall we plan on bringing you more content in the Ozarks, and we wanted to be able to talk to each other while we were riding and have the audio Bluetooth directly to the GoPro. Oh wow. Yeah, let's pull over, show everybody that. So we're pulling over again. We didn't hit the road for very long. Show you guys a roadside waterfall. There's so much to see in the Smoky Mountains. You can't see it in just a few days. We got here on a Monday and we're leaving on a Friday.
Kind of want to get a picture with our camera.
Well, get your phone out.
Thank you.
So we're on an RG3, the 114 is what we're riding. My mom passed away last year. She was big into Harley-Davidsons, and we inherited her trike, and she liked to call it Old Blue, so we're sticking with that, Old Blue. My earliest memories around bikes were with my mom. She had a Yamaha when I was just a toddler. I'd ride on the gas tank with my mom and dad, and then later in life my mom and stepdad got back into bikes, and they went with Harley-Davidson. Mom would be pretty proud of Cindy. She took the Harley class last year and got her endorsement. We got her a little Sportster that she rides.
I named her Blue Bonnet, Bonnie.
Anyway, that trip through the Dragon was in memory of my mother. She was so proud of the time she rode her street glide through the Dragon. I thought that'd be a good way to honor my mom is to ride her trike through the Dragon and kind of dedicate a video to her. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Cindy and I have both been a little camera shy since starting the Bit Restless Adventure channel. It takes a little getting used to talking to a camera, but hopefully we get over that and provide you guys a little more content. You guys get to know us a little more along the way. We won't always be whitewater kayaking or motorcycle riding. Where we live, the whitewater season's in the spring, and then we'll probably be bringing you more flat water scenic floats the rest of the time. Not everybody's into whitewater, but everybody likes good scenery. My first motorcycle I got when I was in 5th grade. It was a Honda 80. My grandma lived in La Russell, Missouri, and she had a greenhouse, and they made apple cider and did all the cool things kids in the 70s got to be around. And I would help make apple cider and then take the apple cider into a town called Carthage, Missouri, where I lived, and I'd set up a little stand on the corner of River and Macon and sell jugs of apple cider, and use that money to buy my little Honda 80 motorcycle. Of course, growing up, my idol was Evel Knievel, and we got to see Evel Knievel's motorcycle and outfit at the dealership there.
Smoky Mountains.
Smoky Mountain dealership. It was pretty cool. I'll throw a picture of that up in the video.
My experience with motorcycles was also in the late 70s, early 70s, riding on the back of a chopper. My Uncle John used to race choppers. Needless to say, I got thrown off at a very young age, so to be able to say I can ride my own now is pretty great.
A lot of people ask me how I like the trike, and I will say I had to get used to it. I used to ride Road Kings and Ultras, but I have to say I'm pretty proud to ride this old blue trike.
Yes, me too. It's fun. If you're thinking about, continue your riding as you age, it's a great way to keep on the road. Brian's mom, one of her last trips by herself was all the way from Norman, Oklahoma to Joplin, Missouri. She had the biggest grin ever. It was getting hard for her to support her old bike, so she changed to a trike as she was getting sick.
Pretty good view of the Smoky Mountains.
Get the fog up there.
Yeah. The fog was so bad on the river yesterday. If you watch that episode of us kayaking the Nantahala, we had to pull over because the fog was just so thick we couldn't see the river.
I was a little bit nervous yesterday, just to say the least. Brian was getting very frustrated with me. Nervous and hurt, two combinations that don't work very well together on a river. There was a cafe back there. Darn. Ooh. Hello. Water's a pretty color.
Sorry about that. I went into that curve a little hot. I was looking at the lake. Our trip down this road is just about over with, and I think we're going to find somewhere to grab something to eat.
In Maryville.
I hope you guys have enjoyed riding this road with us and getting to know us a little better. New to the channel, please give us a like and subscribe. We're hoping to grow this channel over the next 10 years so that when we retire we can hopefully travel to different parts of the United States and broaden our area. Please share with your friends. That helps our channel grow. And like Cindy was saying earlier, be sure to comment in the comment sections of places you'd like us to go in the Ozarks or show people in the Ozarks.
Or if you don't want to do that, just message us privately on our Facebook site. And you can get a hold of us that way.
I'd like to give a shout out to our current sponsors. Whistling Springs Brewery is north of Pea Ridge, Arkansas. Great place to have a craft beer, and they do wood-fired pizzas there. Their big Oktoberfest is coming up. And Turner Bend Outfitter on the Mulberry River is a fantastic place for you guys to visit. You can ride your motorcycles, take a kayaking trip. Great place to visit. They've got a bunch of fall stuff coming up that they're close to, and they provide a lot of cabins and RV spots and camping. And then our favorite little place to eat. You want to tell everybody about our favorite place to eat?
Hurley's Old Bay is our favorite place to eat. In Pineville, Missouri. You can.
The owners of Hurley's Old Bay are phenomenal.
Yes.
Great people. Very scenic place to go eat in the Ozarks.
They're called One Pot Meals, and the only way you can sign up to eat is online on Facebook, on their Facebook site, Hurley's Old Bay, Hurleys. And you make your reservation that way on the Facebook site, and they feature what foods they'll be serving and what dates. They can't feed a whole lot of people because just the two of them, so it's very important that you make a reservation.
And then also we got Wesley Probert Auto Body. He's located in Carthage, Missouri, which is in the southwest Missouri section of the Ozarks. If you're in that area and have a fender bender, he does phenomenal body work.
We hope you guys enjoyed your ride along in the Smoky Mountains. This was our first Motovlog, and we hope you guys got to know us a little better, and we look forward to giving you future content back home in the Ozarks. Please give us a like and a share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And also, you can follow us on Facebook. See you guys next time.